Just an interview and fear completely went away. So mother brought to us,
So just feel free and whatever you think will help me to understand you, go ahead.
his child, again the same, give her a space, and she started talking. Mother said, for last 6 months she is not sleeping. She has phobias, one after the another. And so much so that we've been to psychiatrists, we've been to psychologists, counselor. She's just not coming out of this fear. So what I did, talk, the space to child, told mother, go out, let this child talk. I'm sure I will be able to see a pattern running in all her fear. Yeah? And then we'll explore that pattern to the maximum and we give you a medicine. I'm sure it will work. So, just little bit she's talking and we fast forward.
At 9 before going off to sleep, I'm a bit nervous. I'm scared to be alone everywhere. I don't get sleep properly. I get nightmares. Same nightmare I get every day.
Same nightmares every day.
And I can't see where is my mother. Then I feel I'm lost. And
So all her fear, slowly I'm now cutting, many fears she said, many nightmares she spoke about, one by one. And my idea was just to give her a space and tell her, you're talking nice. Just allow it to come. One more, one more. And she kept on telling 25 or so. Behind all there was a fear that I am all alone without my mother in my house. Nobody is there. And then she goes further. Now this is just a simple fear. She goes further and talks that in the whole world I am all alone. There is nobody with me. Nobody is there to look after me. In my room, as soon as I go, this is the feeling comes. Now only they perceive this, we don't know. Now she is going through this and she starts crying at that time, continuously. And she's shivering, she's crying, look what happens to her. And what I tell her, just stay with this fear, see it as completely as possible. Make a story. So that the complete fear which you have not told to anybody, just bring it out as much as possible. And she makes a whole story of all alone in the world, in the universe, no tree, no plant, only darkness. I am just there and frightened to death. Yeah, mother had seen only outside what she's scared. And she doesn't know this whole thing. So what we did, brought it out all fears. Behind those fears, the one fear running through and through, that's her pattern. Now making her see it as completely as possible. I told her, draw it. One more time, see it. And kept her with that fear so that she can see the complete, which she has never seen. Some bits and pieces here and there. Yeah? And there are only animals around me.
and no human beings at all. I don't know where to find water, where to find food.
Anything else happens to your body when you are like this, scared and all alone?
I start shivering
You start get shivering, huh?
and I get a very bad cold.
You get very bad
Cold.
What do you mean?
Means I start getting a running nose.
Yeah, all this she spoke. After that, I told her to draw. Once all over, I said, anything else remain which you have never told? Anything? She said, no. Now I'm asking her, what is happening to her? After speaking to me for an hour, I thought some change would be there, but see what happens.
everything about your fear and nightmare?
Yes.
Sure?
Sure.
Do you think by speaking about it will help you?
Yes.
In what way?
Be confident about nothing happening to me and not being scared of anything. And I can do whatever I want. I don't need to take anybody's help to do anything. I can do it myself.
So this interview has helped you till understand you will be
That expressing feelings can help.
expressing feeling can help.
Can
In what
help.
way?
And she's just 6-year-old, huh? They all are. It's only thing we don't give them space. That's it. I'm presenting these cases because other cases, you may know grown up, I'm avoiding them, even after doing masking. Each one of them speaks. Children. And you give them a space, they all go there. That's the whole idea. And to the extent, see what extent she goes. Look.
If you tell your feelings, that person can help you solve it. That person can help. If you express your feelings to a person, that person can solve it for you.
No. And you said that now I don't need anybody's help.
So step by step I go back to all the fear, and she goes to the extent she says, now it does not make sense why I should be scared that I am all alone in the world. It looks very funny to me now. The same girl who is not sleeping for 6 months, suddenly she said, now it doesn't make sense. My drawing itself does not make sense to me. That it looks only a drawing. It's just a story. And her mother comes in and she said, you know what, mother? I'm not scared of anything now. And I'm very sure about this. And I've not given her any advice. No, it's just simple taking them back to who they are and leave them there. So she said, I'll now not be scared of anything. I said, are you sure? She said, very sure. And the mother, I understand my fear and I understand I'm not scared of all this. And she said, all this fear of bats and night and all, they are funny, they are poor creature, they are animals. Why should I be scared of them? And she is laughing. And mother comes in and she says, my fears have gone, mother.
The fear is gone.
Fear is gone?
Yes.
Really?
So sometime interview not only brings you back to your whole pattern and make you see, it also make you see, at that time it can bring a transformation also. If it is done at a whole level. That's why this kind of homeopathy not only to treat disease but bring you back to yourself and make you stay there. Now in the follow-up, that is what we do in follow-up. Once we give you treatment, my idea is to see what is happening at a disease level. Of course, I'm checking reports, but also how you now think about your illness. How you think about your fears, about your dreams, about your old traumas, about incident which had a deep impact on you. Earlier you are carrying those knots in your heart. Now you should be aware of them. You should not be affected by it. You can talk about it without getting affected by it. And slowly, so we see disease level what is happening. At dreams, if they are changing, if they improve, they change from the disease pattern to the healthy pattern. Diet changes from a disease pattern to the healthy pattern. Sleep changes from a disease pattern to we try to see all these things. Gradually we try to see what is happening to the whole unique pattern. What happened to that fearful person? Now he's taken charge of. That's where we say, okay, now he is ready for inner healing. Till now medicine was doing it, now his own healing mechanism would do it. That's where some of you, we have told that now stop your treatment. We are convinced for next, like I told some of you, okay, just stop the treatment. The idea is, we are convinced for next few months or year, nothing will happen.